Danny High Soccer with Call One Eat, helping people do their business better. And I'm super excited because we have, yes, the Jabra Evolve2 65 wireless headset. And so here's what it says on the outside of the box. So it's got 3 microphone call technology, comfortable noise isolating design, up to 37 hours of battery life, busy light visible from all angles, 40mm speakers for exceptional music, and it's certified for Microsoft Teams. All right, so here's the actual headset. So I've already unboxed it because I had to charge it. I got it this weekend and I was super excited, so I went ahead and plugged it in so it can get charged up. So here's the actual headset. There's a little Teams button. Comes with the cable, and you can see it's a USB-C cable to the headset. And then in this case, I got the USB-A version because that's all that's currently available. And the new Link 380 dongle. So here's the Link 370 dongle, is kind of gray. The new dongle is black color. And it does come with this cool case. So it's kind of like a leatherette case. And it does have a little pouch there so you can store the dongle. What you're probably most interested in is how this thing actually sounds. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it up and use it. So I'm back. So now I have the Jabra Evolve2 65 on my head. I'm wearing it. Make sure that you download the free Jabra Direct software. It's so important to make sure that you have the latest and greatest firmware on your headset because UC platforms, video collaboration platforms, they make changes across their systems, and so you want to ensure that your headset is up to date and can work in conjunction with those platforms. Additionally, there are other features and functions that you can adjust within the Jabra Direct software so that you can customize the headset so that it's optimized for you. All right, so now let's just get into it. I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume up on this or unmute the TV. All right, so right now it's at 25 and I do have it recording so that you could hear the mic sort of audio quality as well as what's going on around me. All right, so test 1 2. Test 1 2. A cool feature here, let me increase the volume a little more. All right, so now it's at 30, and again, from this proximity, it's pretty loud for me. But anyway, test 1 2, and I'm going to show you a mute feature. You have 2 ways to do it from the Jabra Evolve 65 2. You can press this little button here. All right, I'm unmuted now, and so now I'm going to go ahead and flip the mic up because that's it. Another way you can quickly mute the headset. All right, now. All right, so now I'm back. Here I am, I'm using it. Headsets right now are in extremely high demand across the globe, not just the United States, but across the globe as people are working more from home, as you have people doing remote learning, as you have people engaged in telehealth, telemedicine. Headsets have just, again, the demand is insane. However, there are some available headsets, whether it's the Jabra Evolve2 40 or the new Jabra Evolve2 65. It's important that you contact us to find out which models are physically available. Because when it comes to the Jabra Evolve2 series, you have USB-A, USB-C, UC variants, as well as Microsoft Teams variants. And you also have them in black or beige colors. This one here happens to be black. And again, you do have the option to get them with a stand. So there's one where you can have a little charging stand. All these things are coming out. There are some available models that are out. So it's important that you contact us to find out which ones if you are in need of headsets like right now, right today. All these models, I'm going to put description or I'm going to put links in the description box below. All right, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. See you next time.